Gilagid ba yan? O ano ba yan? Ang nilagay ko kasi dito, ano, showing a lot of tips. Sana.
Recorded na yan, ha?
Dali yan, pinala. Ano ba yung nagagawa?
Okay, so why Tuti is the name of your brand? Because it sounds cute. It's because it sounds cute and parang baby-like
Ano dito yan eh? Okay.
expression.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am here in front of you to present my presentation.
Present
Ano,
my
Ray?
proposal. Sige, kakat ko
Good
na lang.
morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am here in front of you to present my proposal. Our product is toothpaste. Our product is toothpaste. Oh,
Hindi na yan.
ano na lang.
Kasi di mo purmabas.
Ano mo siya
Maganda kasi yung boss
Eh,
mo, Kuya Neil.
Oh, ikaw naman. Ako na siya dali.
Dali na, yun, yung pinutin mo yung ano,
Alin?
yung sa baba. Sa baba. Yan. Yan. Tapos pinutin mo natin doon. Papinutin mo nga, sige, pinutin mo nga para maaralan natin kung ano yung mga dyan.
Dental clear strengthens enamel.
Ano pa? Ano pa yung nakalagay doon? Marami kayo na.
Where did the product name came from? It came from the dictionary, which means showing a lot of teeth. Instead of using the exact word, we come up with the word puppy to be more cute and childlike expression. So, our name, pwede naman ikat.
Cut na naman yan.
We are
Kailangan lang yun. Tignan natin kung ano yung sounds.
We arrived from the name Tuti because Tuti can easily be remembered by the customers.
Sige, sulat mo yung sinasabi mo. Baka pag nag-take na tayo ng tunay.
Why Tuti? Okay, there's a lot of toothpaste in our
There's a lot of competitors.
there's a lot of competitors.
Such as, mentionate mo na yung two. Colgate.
O, ikaw na doon.
Ikaw na
Hindi, practice lang naman eh.
Ay, ano kaya?
Dapat
Hindi.
maglagay kayo ng malaking client pala dyan.
Hindi sir,
Oo.
practice. Wala ka ba doon sa...
Lagyan mo na kaya siya ng ano.
Sige, okay.
We have a lot of competitors like Colgate, Close Up, Cotita, and many other